Yeah, what's going on? So today we got a video from Bodycam Files, and the title of the video is "Woman Harasses Guy at Bar Ends Badly." So let's get into the video.
This intoxicated woman tried to fight at the bar, but got a much-needed reality check.
Somebody threw that cigarette thing.
That's what hit her? I don't know. It looks like...
I don't know. Somebody got hit.
Everybody keeps telling me that nobody touched her, but I'm like, I saw her face.
Two of them were wrestlers. One was your employee, though.
She's talking about every time.
They were wrapped up with each other here. So I don't know what started that. That's what I saw.
Okay, but they're friends, right? Like, she was trying to contain her, or they weren't fighting each other? I don't know if you want to look at the camera.
He's going to look at the camera, but he wants to stop to that first.
Okay.
I guess they were saying some words were said, and I guess words were taken the wrong way. I guess she retaliated. Okay. So that's what they just told me.
She's been drinking a little bit. It had to do with her girlfriend and whatnot.
Is she here?
No.
Okay. What happened with the cigarette?
What cigarette? Calm it down.
Hey, relax. The ashtray.
The ashtray outside. Oh no, I got knocked into it.
Oh, okay.
I was just trying to hold on to her.
Oh, smoke a cigarette. So what cigarette?
No, I knocked into it.
Oh, the ashtray. What happened with the ashtray? Tell me what happened with the ashtray.
Stop it.
Thrown outside.
It's fine.
Tell me what happened with the ashtray.
It's fine. I'm going to take her home.
Can you tell
I'm
me?
going to take her
No,
home.
you can't tell me.
Stop it.
Can anyone in this bitch tell me?
You want to go see the camera?
Well, guys, she's gonna leave. So she was just upset, and she was upset about something. She said the employee said something to her, and they just wrapped up trying to calm her. She's really drunk, the one, the wife. So she just grabbed her, trying to calm her down, and then they just got into a shove match. So they're gonna leave.
She needs to leave. That's it. Thank you.
That's okay. Look, put your hands behind your back now. Okay, don't get involved. Put your hands behind your back.
You wanted that shit all night, didn't you? You wanted that shit all night, didn't you? And I gave it to you. Pussy ass nigga.
Hey,
Absolutely ridiculous.
You're making it worse.
Now.
The cop didn't fucking do anything.
Yo, shut the fuck up, Oprah.
Stop.
Let me go.
You're not going anywhere.
I said let me go.
Alisa,
I ain't asked you to let me go. I said let me go, nigga.
look at me and stop talking.
Somebody got some brains.
You're under arrest.
Foxtrot 216, maintain the channel.
Can I get up peacefully?
No.
Y'all wanted that all night, didn't y'all?
I got one scare.
Oh, you're hitting the face.
The fuck? So,
Left my car.
y'all wanted this shit all night, didn't y'all?
No, we asked you to leave nicely multiple times.
When?
Stay there. Stay here. No, you're not backing up anywhere. Stop. Stop.
Show me out with 216.
You got anybody else? No, just her.
10-5.
You don't want to act right?
Roll your side.
You gonna yank me or you gonna ask me?
I've asked you multiple times to do a lot of things you don't want to
You're
listen
on my
about.
leg, nigga. How am I gonna roll to my side with you on my neck? My leg, nigga. I can't even comfortably be right here, nigga. The fuck?
If you want to talk to the guy in this leather jacket, see if he wants to press charges or anything.
Ask him. I'm waiting.
Stand up.
Are you gonna ask me or fucking yank me, nigga?
I told you a bunch.
The fuck? The fuck? Ask
logs
her yank. Ask her
Can
yank.
you unlock your car for me real
Ask
quick?
her yank, nigga. Ask her yank, nigga. Yank now. Yank now. Yank now. Y'all want to yank now? Yeah, it has to be a goddamn fucking thing. Oh, I'm scared.
I got it.
She said I'm
Let me go,
scared. You done.
Have a
You
seat
out of
here.
here, man.
Yo, shut the fuck up, goofy ass nigga. I'm trying tonight. Can I? Myself. So, the story is, apparently, a couple weeks ago, her girlfriend asked me for a ride down on my motorcycle. So I did.
I can try to write.
Yeah. It's unlocked. Do you want to press charges real quick?
No, I don't.
You don't want to press
No,
charges?
no.
Walk me through what happened.
So I gave her girlfriend a motorcycle ride a couple weeks ago. She's been harboring it. I didn't know who she was. So I guess she checked me about it. Oh, you gave my girlfriend a ride. I was like, I said it was a motorcycle ride. She's obviously gay. Anyway, you know, and so she was upset about it. So she tried to fight. So, I mean, I'm a grown man. So I didn't. And so she got inside. She was wilding out. She was being combative. From the very
How was she
beginning.
being combative?
With the cop, with the officer.
Oh, she was? Okay.
Yeah.
Did she physically
She tried to stick me, but I fight. I do MMA. I was like, I fight grown men, women. Like, are you kidding me?
Obviously, she's intoxicated. I can tell that. So she's drunk and disorderly right now.
Right.
But if she did, you do deserve the right to
I
press charges.
appreciate that. I understand. I work for the city. I'm a code enforcement, retired extradition agent.
You don't want to?
Don't want to press any charges. She's just having a rough night.
54 on charges. Yeah. But she was disrupting the peace.
Absolutely. She
disorderly?
fucking hit him a couple times too.
She came up to you. What exactly did she do to you?
So we were sitting in a social setting. Everybody's talking. I didn't know who she was or that she was upset. So I guess the more drinks she got, the more upset she got, and she brought it up.
Okay.
And so I was like, all right, you know, I give it right. I gave her right 2 weeks against curfews. And so she got she got up and physical. So I stood back and moved on the chair. And I'm like, yo, relax.
Relationships, man. Relationships, man. People do crazy things for love, man. But yo, if the joint is gay, I mean, or is she bi or is she gay, the girlfriend? Because that one, yeah, you could tell she not bi. She gay. But I don't know if the other one, you know, if she's the girlfriend, the one in the black or whatever, she might go both ways now. You know what I'm saying? She might still dip and dive into that, you know what? You know what I mean? So hey, that them toys don't be working all the time. You know what I mean? So, hey, but yo, you can't. I understand why he doesn't want to press charges. I mean, she a female, like he not hurt or whatever. If he really wanted to violate her, he would have violated her. Like he's like, man, I do MMA like that. She squashed like a bug, you know what I mean? But she just drunk and she mad because the girlfriend probably bi, to be honest. She probably bi.
What was she doing as she was saying? Was she verbalizing?
So she was verbal. She was making threats.
Like what kind of threats was she making? Like I'm gonna hit you, fuck you up.
I'll fuck him up. Don't try me. You know the typical drunk and disorderly threats.
All right. Did she physically strike you?
She didn't. She tried to, and I parried, and she fell.
So she did lunge at you though?
She did. She took a definite swing, and I parried, and she fell.
What happened originally?
So that's what I was explaining to the gentleman. We were sitting down there. I didn't know who she was. Apparently, 2 weeks ago, I gave her girlfriend a ride. Unbeknownst to me, I didn't know the relationship. So the more drinks she got, the more she wanted to bring it up. So when she brought it up, she exploded. So, you know, I tried to disengage.
That's what I saw.
Yeah, I tried to disengage. And she kept coming at me, and
Well, if somebody would have told us what happened the first time.
I was trying.
Nobody would tell us.
Right. No, you
So when she walked outside, I had no idea she was going to come attack you.
100%. And she was saying audibly, I just want to apologize to him. So there was no. Well, everyone was under the assumption. I know. I saw that. You know, that was good. You were on it quick.
She was charged with disorderly intoxication, resisting an officer without violence, and battery on an officer.
Watch when I get in the mood. No time for the fakes. When you see me, I see you. No FaceTime. Shoot my shot, green beam. 2K shit that get a nigga lean.